Did you know that your brain is like a tiny city that's always buzzing with activity? Imagine it as a city that's never asleep, always working, with busy workers doing important tasks all day and all night. One of the most fascinating things these little workers do is something that might sound strange. Your brain is constantly eating itself. But don't worry, this is completely normal and actually very important for keeping your brain healthy and sharp. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Inside your brain, there are special cells called neurons. Neurons are like the brain's supercommunicators, sending and receiving messages all the time so we can think, move, and feel. However, just like anything that works hard, sometimes these cells need repairs or replacements. And that's where a process called autophagy comes in. Autophagy might sound like a big word, but it simply means self-eating. It's when your brain cleans itself by removing and recycling parts of cells that are old or damaged. Picture autophagy as a group of tiny recyclers zooming around your brain, collecting worn-out bits and pieces. They break these parts down into smaller pieces, which the brain can then reuse. This recycling process is super important because it helps prevent things from going wrong inside your brain. It's a way for your brain to keep its environment clean and free of clutter, ensuring that it functions properly. Now, you might wonder, why does our brain need to do this all the time? Well, just like a computer that needs updates and cleanups, our brains need maintenance to stay in tip-top shape. By regularly cleaning and recycling, our brain can continue to help us learn new things, remember old ones, and even react quickly to the world around us. Another cool fact about autophagy is that it's not just happening in our brains, it's happening in all of our body's cells. This process helps protect us from getting sick and keeps our bodies working smoothly. Scientists are still exploring how we can use what we know about autophagy to improve health and possibly treat some diseases like Alzheimer's, which affects memory, and Parkinson's, which affects movement. So, how can we help our brains and bodies do this important job? Eating healthy foods, getting plenty of sleep, and staying active are all ways to support autophagy. Just like those tiny recyclers, when we take care of our bodies, we give our brains the tools they need to keep everything tidy and working well. In conclusion, remember that your brain is an amazing and resourceful organ. It's not only thinking and learning every day, but also cleaning and recycling. This fascinating process of self-eating is a crucial part of how our brains stay strong and healthy, enabling us to do all the wonderful things we enjoy. So next time you're in school or playing with friends, give a little thanks to those tiny recyclers hard at work inside your head, ensuring you're ready for whatever fun, challenging, or exciting thing comes next.